Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Solana coin. Few days back on 24th of June, I shared this idea on Sol coin for my members at the Patreon that the Sol coin has completed a bullish bat pattern on the 2-day chart, and from here it can start a powerful bullish reversal. And this was the idea, and before this idea, I shared this chart in the month of May. When the price action with the Bitcoin pair completed this bullish cipher move. And let me show you this chart, and then we will move to the current price action move of the Solana. Now here we can see that the price action was moving at the very end of this buying zone, and after playing the chart we can see that the price action turned really very strong bullish, and this was more than 72% rally. I was expecting up to 15.5%, but that was more than my expectations. And now this time the Solana completed another bullish reversal, the harmonic bullish reversal bat move, and this is the link for the chart. And by the way, I am also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis here at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this is the current chart that I shared on 24th of June. At that time, the price action completed this final leg, and we also had a very good support of 100 simple moving average as well. And I was expecting that when the price action of Bitcoin will move down to retest the $31,000 or $30,000, then it can again give us another chance to catch it from this buying zone. However, the price action did not give us the next chance, and it reversed more bullish from here. You can see that I have played this chart and the price action is still moving to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the current daily time frame chart, and here I have placed the different simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, and we can see that the price action on the daily time frame chart moved very close to this 200 simple moving average and reversed back. At this time it is breaking out the 100 simple moving average. Then it will have the next resistance levels of 25 and 50 simple moving averages, and once it will be able to break out these moving averages, then it will be easy for the price action to move up. And let me just show you the exponential moving averages on the same daily time frame chart, and we can see that the price action is also breaking out the EMA 10 and EMA 21, and after breaking out the EMA 10 and 21, once this EMA 10 will cross up this EMA 21, that will be also very useful and helpful for the price action to start the bullish rally from here. And let me just show you why I'm expecting that the price action of Solana can start a very big move from here. First of all, let me just show you some different support and resistance levels, then I will show you why I'm expecting that. For example, here we have the $25 support, then we have the next resistance at $35, and the price action is trying to break out this resistance. Then we have the next resistance at $42, then $50, and our final resistance will be at $58. Now, if I place this trend line from this candlestick to this current candlestick, then we can see that here the price action has found this resistance. And here we also have the support of $25. So this is the formation of the descending triangle here. And the price action is moving between the resistance and support of this descending triangle. And now after getting bounced from here, it is moving to the upside. At the same time, we also have this formation of the bullish bat pattern on the 2-day chart. And the price action has been reversed bullish from the buying zone or the potential reversal zone of this bullish bat. Now, if the price action will break out this resistance that is approximately at $38, I'm talking about this resistance of this descending triangle, then our next target can be, if I just place this trend line from this tail of the triangle up to this support and place it here. For example, if the price action will break out somewhere from here, or if it will break out from here, then our next target can be approximately here. That is, let me show you the target. That is approximately at $64. And if it will break out from here, then we can exactly break out. Our next target can be exactly at the resistance that is at $58. Therefore, once the price action, I'm expecting that this time it can move for the breakout. Once the price action will be able to break out this resistance of the descending triangle, then it can make another attempt to break out this $50 resistance level, and it can easily break out the 35, 42, 50, yeah, all these resistance levels, and move to this final resistance of $58. Now, if I place the stochastic here to show you the different indicators and oscillators, we can see that the stochastic is very strong bullish. And if I place the MACD indicator, then we can see that the MACD is also turned strong bullish. Like here it was strong bearish, then turned big bearish, and now we can see that it has turned green. And the moving averages, these moving averages of the MACD, have given us the bull cross. Like this blue line has crossed up this red line. That is a buying signal, strong buying signal by the MACD, and we can see that it is quite oversold, and the stochastic is already very strong bullish. It visited the oversold zone here, and this blue line has crossed up the red line, already has given us the buying signals, and we have already very good support of the 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart, and now the price action is breaking out this 100 simple moving average as well. And if you have missed this buying from this buying zone of the bullish bat pattern, then you can wait for the next breakout, like the price action. When the price action will break out this resistance, then you can place your buying orders, or you can long Solana here. And then the price action, after the confirmed breakout, the price action can make another powerful attempt to break out the $58 very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.